Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So we've got a tripled letter, and all the other letters are different. Feels like those are going to be E's. That's quite a common letter to be tripled, and we could have an ENCE ending, for example. I'm sure there's lots of other endings. Defiance looks promising, except that's got an A here instead of the E. So what can it be? That first letter really looks like it's going to be a D or an R. But it's too long to be something like defence. And it can't be sentence because we can't repeat the N here because it's got a different symbol. So what does that mean? It means that I'm a little bit in the dark for now. I feel like as soon as I get one bit of information it will help a lot. It might not even be E's, it might not be an ENCE ending. That's the problem with this game. You just don't know what's going on. How about something like that? I feel like it would be an STLE ending, like Nestle. So I'm not sure there are that many words for the TLE. Or even TRE, because in America it would be a TER ending more often than not, I think. Let's put the RE beginning in and then see if we can think of something that works. Because that could be an A. That looks like it should be a word. Recreate almost works, but again, this cannot be an R because it's got a different symbol. So, I mean, that could be an L. What would this be? I don't know. I was going to do something along the lines of re-emerge. That's why I put the RGE ending, but of course it cannot be that for several reasons. It can't be revenge. What can it be? How about a DE beginning? Because at least then we could use the R later on if we needed to. But again, I'm not sure I can think of anything that works. Okay, let's put a pin in that for now. What if it's a plural? What if those are all S's? And it's probably going to start with a vowel. But I just don't know what on earth this would be. ERS, I suppose, is probably quite likely. But you'd want another S there, something like assessors, but that fails for several reasons. It really feels like it's got to be an S. Sorry, got to be an E. Sentence doesn't quite work. That's so annoying. What is a sensible guess? I can't even think of a single word that fits. Persevere is what I should be doing. I feel like pre is more common than per as a prefix, so I'm not sure that's going to help. Let's put those two the other way around. I don't know what this word is. Re-shelve. Oh, I didn't think it was common enough to be correct, but surely you can re-shelve a project. I just wanted it to be correct, just to give myself some more information about whether I've got any letters remotely in the right place. What is likely to be correct? Revenge. That's not a word either. So frustrating. Right. What about something like vertical at the end? No, that really doesn't look promising. Vertence. Vestance. Pestilence. I might just have to go for sentence, even though I know it's not correct, just to give myself some information. And we do have the tripled E. I didn't learn whether there was an R, but I did learn that it's not an NCE ending, so at least that's something. So it's also not an ESCE ending, like, well, Evanescence is the only thing I could think of. No, that would still be an NCE. Oh, I don't know. Where is the C going to go? That's the next problem. I suppose it could be... Oh, it's just going to be decrease, isn't it? There we go. I could have decreased my number of guesses by 1 by just thinking of that earlier. 2 is not bad, but it's not as good as 1. It's only 26 words that match that pattern. That's why I was struggling so much to think of something that works. It's quite a difficult one today. Quite restricted. But no clues to go on. So that's the polygonal puzzle. Let me know if you did better. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.